Take a look at this digital mess. If you manage your own money, your screen probably looks exactly like this. You have your main brokerage at Schwab, a dividend portfolio over at M1 Finance, some play money in Robinhood, and a spreadsheet trying to hold it all together. Instead of logging into 5 different platforms just to figure out your net worth, you can build a single private dashboard that acts like a personal Bloomberg terminal for your own money, and you can build the entire thing using AI. To pull this off, you only need 2 things. First, access to Perplexity's computer feature. Second, a simple list of your current stock tickers and their balances. Aggregating these disparate accounts onto a single screen transforms that scattered data into a clear, unified view of your total risk and growth. We are going to use a 2-step method to build this. You write out what you want in a standard AI chat window. Let the AI translate that into code instructions, and then feed those instructions into the coding module. Step 1 starts in the regular Perplexity chat. You just type a few plain English sentences explaining your goal. For example, build a private, single-page personal finance dashboard that tracks my portfolio and retirement goals. Watch what happens next. The AI takes that simple text block and expands it into a massive logic framework. This structurally superior generated prompt automatically categorizes your request. It clearly defines the project's purpose, specifies the integrations it needs, and maps out the visual layout. Mastering this translation step is how you control complex AI outputs without needing to write a single line of code yourself. Now take that massive generated prompt, copy it, and paste it directly into the Perplexity Computer module. The moment you hit enter, the AI begins architecting the site. Watch as it immediately renders out a functional user interface right in your browser. Before we add your numbers, there is a critical trap to avoid. Do not attempt to automate live bank feeds by linking third-party APIs. Systems like Plaid frequently disconnect and break. Instead, we use a more stable approach. This flowchart shows how it works. You manually enter static account balances on one side and let the dashboard pull live market ticker prices on the other. Notice how the bank API's pipe is completely blocked off. Prioritizing system stability over complete automation guarantees your dashboard remains a reliable daily tool, rather than a constant maintenance headache. Once the basic dashboard is running, you can treat the AI like a responsive design partner to refine the layout. If you want to tweak something, just ask. You can type a command like, add a prominent visual flame icon next to the retirement calculator module. The AI isolates your specific request, processes the visual update, and instantly regenerates just that section of the dashboard without breaking the rest of the page. This conversational loop completely bypasses the traditional developer revision cycle. You spot a problem, state the fix, and the AI applies it instantly. A sleek interface means nothing without the right math behind it. You need to customize the dashboard's underlying logic to fit your specific risk tolerance and financial goals. Let's start with a buy zone module. You can instruct the AI to build logic rules that track your holdings and set automatic pullback triggers, like a 5%, 10%, or 15% drop from the high. This gives you a visual decision support tool. Look at this threshold meter. As a stock price drops, the system clearly shifts colors from red to yellow to green, showing you exactly when an asset is ready to purchase versus running too hot. Next, we add the Coast Fire Retirement module featuring sliding horizontal scales for age, spend target, and withdrawal rate. As you adjust these inputs, the output immediately recalculates your target age, telling you exactly when compounding can finish the job. If you hold income-producing assets, you can also add a dividend radar. This maps out your expected payouts over the next 90 days based on share count, pushing real-time alerts directly to your personal email calendar. Baking your specific rules and retirement math into the code transforms the dashboard into a projection engine for your long-term financial independence. In less than an hour, you've taken scattered spreadsheets and multiple logins and turned them into a single cohesive terminal that automatically explains your daily market movements. If you want to skip the prompt engineering, there is a shortcut. You can find a link below to remix this exact dashboard framework inside Perplexity right now without starting from scratch. You still have to do the final legwork. Input your own asset balances, define your custom buy zone rules, and adjust the retirement inputs to match your life. Building and controlling a personalized data structure like this puts you in the driver's seat. You stop being a passive observer of scattered accounts and start being an active director of your wealth.